The message was clear, as evident from the posters that went up early Friday morning in Patna, even as news channels began flashing the day's substantive trends, projecting a landslide win for the NDA in the Bihar Assembly elections. What makes Nitish Kumar indispensable in Bihar? Opposition leaders and some analysts may have raised questions about his health, age, and ability to lead the state, but Nitish has proven them wrong as he is set to become chief minister yet again. Here's a look at Nitish's political journey. On 1st March 1951, a child was born to an ordinary family in the tiny Bhaktiyarpur hamlet of Bihar's Patna district. The child was named Munna, who later became Nitish Kumar. His father, Kaviraj Ram Lakhan Singh, was considered a close associate of the former Bihar Chief Minister and freedom fighter Satyendra Narayan Sinha. Nitish Kumar, who has been helming Bihar's politics for 2 decades, hails from the socialist stable. He got involved in politics while studying at the Bihar College of Engineering, what is now the National Institute of Technology in Patna, from where he earned a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering. Nitish Kumar learned his political ropes from stalwarts like Ram Manohar Lohia, Jayaprakash Narayan, Satyendra Narayan Sinha, Karpuri Thakur, and VP Singh. Between 1974 and 1977, Nitish Kumar was actively involved in the Sampurna Kranti movement under the leadership of Jayaprakash Narayan.
लालू यादव, नीतीश कुमार सभी जेपी आंदोलन के प्रोडक्ट हैं। जेपी आंदोलन एक बिल्कुल अलग आंदोलन था और जेपी आंदोलन में बहुत सारे लोग निकले, उसमें ये लोग काफी यंग थे और निकले।
Nitish Kumar won the 1985 Bihar Assembly election to become an MLA for the first time. In 1989, he won the Lok Sabha election to become a member of parliament. After that, Nitish Kumar was an MP in the 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, and 14th Lok Sabha. In April 1990, Nitish Kumar became a union minister for the first time, being appointed as the Minister of State for Agriculture. In March 1998, Nitish Kumar became the Railway and Surface Transport Minister in the NDA government. But in August 1999, he resigned from the office following the Gaisal train incident. On March 3, 2000, Nitish Kumar was sworn in as the Bihar Chief Minister. But due to lack of majority in the assembly, he resigned after being in office for just 7 days. The same year, he once again became the Union Agriculture Minister in the NDA government at the centre. In March 2001, he was given the additional charge of the Railways Ministry and he continued in that office till 2004.
उस समय तो था भी नहीं, उस समय तो नीतीश का वोट सपोर्ट बेस था भी नहीं। नीतीश तो एक लालू के काउंटर में खड़ा किए गए थे, लेकिन आज वो स्थिति नहीं है।
Nitish Kumar has perfected the art of managing political equations. In 1994, he parted ways with his college friend and political ally, Lalu Yadav, who was the Bihar chief minister then, and formed the Samta Party along with George Fernandez. Later, in 2003, he merged the Samta Party with the Janata Dal of Sharad Yadav to form the Janata Dal United. In 2005, in alliance with the BJP, Nitish was sworn as the Chief Minister of Bihar. He retained the chair after his alliance's victory in the 2010 State Assembly election. As Chief Minister, Nitish Kumar is credited for developing Bihar, reforming the state administration and police, and bettering the law and order situation.
कानून व्यवस्था ध्वस्त था, तो उस ध्वस्त को पटरी पर लाने का काम ठीक से, कि थाने में एफआईआर दर्ज हो, अपराधियों में भय पैदा हो, अपराधी गिरफ्तार हों, लोग रात के समय भी बच्चे बच्चियां निकल सकें, व्यापारी अपना दुकान खोलें, सब करें, ये सब स्थिति उन्होंने लाई है। हालांकि चुनाव के पहले के कुछ महीनों में इधर अपराध बढ़ा है, लेकिन ये नहीं कहा जा सकता कि ऐसा संगठित अपराध बढ़ा है जिसको सत्ता का संरक्षण हो।
During his first full-term tenure as the Bihar Chief Minister from 2005 to 2010, Nitish Kumar distributed bicycles among female school students from poorer households in the state. Political analysts believe that generation of girl students is now playing a decisive role in Nitish's political career.
नीतीश जी ने सत्ता में आने के बाद जो महिलाओं के उत्थान के लिए काम किया है वो ऐतिहासिक है। बच्चियां स्कूल जाएं, पढ़ें, आगे बढ़ें, इसके लिए उन्होंने लड़कियों के लिए वस्त्र, उनके स्कूल जाने के लिए साइकिल, उनकी पुस्तकें, उनको स्कॉलरशिप की घोषणा की। जो 10वीं पास करेगी इतने नंबर से उसको इतना पैसा देंगे, प्रोत्साहन दिया। जो 12वीं पास करेंगी उनको इतना देंगे, जो बीए पास करेंगी इतना देंगे, जो कंपटीशन में क्वालिफाई कर जाएगी उसको इतने। तो इसके कारण लड़कियों में पढ़ने की इच्छा पैदा हुई, आपस में कंपटीशन हुआ।
Nitish Kumar has earned the moniker Sushasan Babu for his contribution to Bihar's development. In 2013, unhappy over Narendra Modi's elevation as the prime ministerial candidate by the BJP for the 2014 general election, Nitish Kumar broke away from the NDA. In the 2014 Lok Sabha elections, Nitish's party Janata Dal United did not fare well. Taking responsibility, he resigned from the office of Chief Minister and handed over reins of the state to Jitan Ram Manjhi. But 9 months later, he once again dramatically returned as Chief Minister. Despite differences, political compulsion saw Nitish Kumar ally with Lalu Yadav for the 2015 assembly polls, which the alliance won decisively. Nitish was sworn as the Chief Minister once again.
हकीकत ये कि मोदी जी की इमर्जिंग पर्सनालिटी नीतीश कुमार को खल रही थी, क्योंकि वो समझते थे कि नॉर्थ इंडिया के अनपैरेलल लीडर नीतीश हैं, अपने को विकास पुरुष की इमेज दे रहे थे। ऐसे में मोदी का उभरना उनको अखरा और ये उस तनाव का कारण बना, जिसमें आप जानते हैं कि खाने पे बुलाया था, कैसे फिर मना कर दिया। तो मोदी और नीतीश का एक अच्छा खासा तनाव रहा, लेकिन दोनों ने फिर एडजस्ट किया।
In 2016, Chief Minister Nitish Kumar implemented the liquor ban in Bihar, specifically targeted at winning over female voters. The 2020 and 2025 results point to the success of that move. By 2017, Nitish Kumar and Lalu Yadav's RJD party were drifting apart. Nitish Kumar dismantled the alliance with Lalu's party but continued to occupy the Chief Minister's office, this time in alliance with the BJP.
नीतीश को प्रेडिक्ट करना मुश्किल है और आरजेडी से उनको लगा, ये तो होता है ना कि एसिमिलेट कर लेगा। आरजेडी एक बड़ी पार्टी है और हो सकता है कि आने वाले दिनों में हमारा वोट बैंक अलग हो जाए। फिर एक नेचुरल अलायंस आरजेडी से नीतीश का हो नहीं सकता। उसकी वजह बिल्कुल दूसरी है। जिस जिस कम्युनिटी को वो एड्रेस करते हैं जाति के हिसाब से, लालू की भी कोशिश उस कम्युनिटी को एड्रेस करने की रहती है। तो वो म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव पॉलिटिकल आइडेंटिटीज है, जब भी आप नजदीक लाएंगे तो वो ज्यादा दिन चलेगी नहीं।
In 2020, the Janata Dal united for the election as a part of the NDA. The alliance was victorious in the assembly election and Nitish Kumar once again became Bihar's chief minister. In August of 2022, Nitish Kumar once again changed his colors and joined hands with Tejashwi Yadav's RJD. But this partnership of Nitish Kumar and Tejashwi did not last long. In January 2024, Nitish Kumar took a political gamble and dumped Tejashwi, joining hands with the BJP ahead of the Lok Sabha polls. And now, after securing a thumping victory for the NDA, he is set to lead Bihar yet again.